What's up, y'all? It's your boy Eman. Today, guys, I'm back with another video. So don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell. So today, guys, I'm back with another tutorial. Today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to use the YouTube editor. So it's very easy. It's very easy. So all you have to do is you have to just go to you have to go to upload if you haven't uploaded your video already, which I have uploaded my video already, so I'm not going to upload, but you should go to upload if you're trying to edit your video um if you haven't uploaded. So I have uploaded. So to all of the people that have uploaded their video, is what you have to do is you have to go to my channel, and then when you're in your channel, click Creator Studio. That's all you have to do, and then it should take you straight to the dashboard. And when it takes you to the dashboard, all you have to do is go to Edit. Just click Edit. As you see, it says Vid for Edit. So afterwards, what you go to is enchantments. If you're trying to find how to trim and put your video in slow motion, and also filters and blurry effects, if you're trying to figure that out. So today, guys, I'm back with another video. So if you look into this video, and you see how it skipped because it was a trim that made it do this. And you see all these lines in the middle, it was a trim. All you have to do to be able to trim is finna exit. Oops. Okay. Let me clear that. So this time I'm finna clear that, and I'm finna do it again. I'm finna show you guys exactly how I trimmed that. What's up, y'all? It's your boy E-Man. So look, once it gets to right, as you see, it said video. So I paused it right here, and you can click split where you want to trim. So click split, and you should see something with arrows, two lines, and another arrow. And yeah, so if you're trying to change it, if you're trying to trim it to cut the part out or to just skip through your video, all you have to do is just cut this, which I think I'm gonna just cut right here. Matter of fact, yeah, that's where I'm finna cut. I'm gonna cut right here. So I'm gonna clear it again, and I'm gonna click split right here because this is afterwards. This is afterwards. So then you go right just like that, just like that. That's exactly how it should be like. So when it's like that, all you have to do is look and try to see if it's right. See how it changed? It's because it cut this part, it trimmed this part. So if you wanna so I'm finna do it one more time for you guys. I'm finna do this right one more time. So when it's like this is how you're gonna start off. Like, you're gonna start off with these two things right here. What you simply do, don't move these unless you're trying to trim this part. If you're trying to trim this part, all the whiteness is where it's getting trimmed. So when you're trimming it, you wherever spot you want to go, you pause it. So like the video part, as you see, it's not doing nothing. I waited right there. It did not do anything. So after, so like right in the middle of this spot, that's when you pause it and then click split. Like right in the middle. Alright, there you go. So now I'm gonna click split. And I'm gonna cut this part right here. Oops. I'm gonna cut this part. And you see a little white line here. A little white line because it trimmed. It trimmed slowly. Like it trimmed right there.
Okay.
So that's all you have to do.
Okay. So now,
as you see how it changed.
Yeah.
So now what I'm finna do is I think I'm finna change the filters. And when you're ready, if you want it to still be right there, you have to click done. If you don't click done, it will not work. And afterwards, once you're done with everything that you're trying to do, you click save. So I'm finna change the filters, all the filters that they have. Old fashioned. They have old fashioned. What else they have? Low moish. They have cross process.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy.
Old fashioned. Cinema scope. And all of that. They even, what else they have? They even have, they have black and white. Over. It says something went wrong trying to get data from server. Try again or reload the page. Okay, I'm finna reload the page, guys, because seeing something messed up. But yeah, that's all you have to do. So guys, don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell. So this is the end of the video. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.